Yeah, this is a little outdoor garden table off the back decking. Now I can't remember what happened here, but we put something on top there and it basically melted these 3 plastic inserts. I suppose to invitation wood or whatever you call it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take all these off. I've already took one off here. I'm going to take all these off and we're going to replace them with wood ones. Now originally I was going to put the wood ones on and then get the colour matched and just paint them the same colour as this. But what we've decided to do, or what the wife wants me to do, is just put wood ones on. So we're going to do wood ones and see what it looks like at the end of the day with them.
Okay, all we're doing here, guys, is we're just measuring up and cutting all the pieces that we need, and then we'll take them over to the table saw and straighten up the edges and cut them down to size. Okay, what I'm doing here, guys, is these are all like fence boards that I had in the garage. So what I'm doing is I'm actually taking off the rounded edge. If you look closely, they've actually got a rounded edge on each side. So we're going to take them off. Now at this point we're just measuring the width of the actual borders that were on there, moving the fence up and cutting them all down to size. Just give all the pieces a quick sanding and then we'll move on. Now the stuff I'm using here, guys, it's just basically a clear coat of sealer. There's no toning in it at all, it's just clear cut. Just to seal it against the weather, because obviously it's going outside. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. As I say, please leave a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.